SMARTfit single on-frame installation. Lay out all received packages in an open area. You should have a total of 8 boxes. Check for a white sticker on each package. This sticker will show a box number along with item details. Let's start with opening box number 5, which contains 1 2-pound air-filled medicine ball, 3 strike noodles, 2 small plastic bags of tools, 1 CPU, 1 phone stand, 1 CPU backplate, and 1 plastic bag with a level tool. The 3 small packages contain 2 SMARTfit weights each, equaling a total of 6 weights. Remove items from box number 1. Place the base, 2 cross pieces, and the bottom plate frame into one of the cardboard pieces to eliminate any damages. Remove the SMARTfit single bottom panel from box number 2. Place it onto one of the cardboard pieces. Now remove the top panel from box number 4. Place it onto one of the cardboard pieces. Finally, unpack all items from box number 3. Place the right and left posts side by side so that they lay next to the top and bottom support pieces. Remove the top 2 screws on both posts. Then do the same near the bottom of each post. Grab the bottom support piece and attach it with the screws and washers. Tighten the screws, then back them off 1.5 turns. This will assist you in lining up the parts in the next step. Grab the top support section and repeat. Now attach the left post, but do not snug down all the screws attaching the cross pieces yet. They should back off about 1.5 turns. Take out all 6 screws at the bottom of the right and left post. Make sure a second or third person is helping during these next steps. With the help of a second person, flip the frame assembly over so that it lays on a chair. Place the base plate against the frame and align the screw holes. You can use a piece of cardboard from your shipping material to help align the screw holes. Install and tighten the flathead screws. Grab the bag of tools labeled Weight System Hardware. Loosen the screw from one of the shafts and tighten both the screw and shaft onto the base. Repeat for all 3 locations. Once complete, gently stand the panel on its base. You may need a second or third person to assist you. Grab the weights and place 2 on each shaft. Once finished, take the discs and align them with the top of the shafts, placing it above the weights. Grab the screw that attaches to the disc. Grab the hex wrench and tighten them until the weights are secured and locked. Retrieve the bottom panel from the cardboard box. The SMARTfit single logo will be on the front cover. Center the panel onto the base. Now place 4 panel knobs through each post and into the back of the bottom frame. Tighten each knob to secure the bottom panel. There should be 2 knobs per post. Retrieve the top panel, then attach it to the top of the bottom panel. There are 2 metallic pins that will attach these panels. Make sure the top panel is facing the correct way. The center target should be at the end, closest to the bottom panel. Now attach 2 more panel knobs through each post and into the back of the top panel. Remove the 2 screws on the left side of the frame. Retrieve the CPU backplate and attach it to the frame. Now remove the knob from the back of the CPU. Place the CPU on the back plate. Reattach the knob onto the CPU. Pull the power cord from the metal pocket of the frame. Remove the tape from the target wire casing and feed it through the metal pocket of the frame. Now feed the power cord through the target wire casing. Finally, Zip tie the casing through all 3 zip tie locations shown here. Then cut the long end of each zip tie. Plug in both the target wire and power cord at this time. Give the system power by plugging it into a wall outlet. And finally, locate the on-off switch and turn the power on. Your CPU and panel targets will light up at this time. If further assistance is needed, please contact our customer service line at 1-800-900-8542. Enter extension 116.